Hey guys, first of all, good evening and thanks for watching this video. I actually want to walk you through a particular technology that I created with help of few of my friends, and we feel it's having a huge potential in terms of people who are visually impaired, who are not able to see anything. This could prove as an assistive technology for them. This has the potential of understanding the object and making the person understand what that object is all about. So the idea is that if a blind person is walking down the park and he just take an image of this particular, of whatever is in front of him or her, the image which is captured will be sent to the analytics APIs, and then it will be brought down to the visually impaired person as a speech kind of statement that okay, this object is all about a park where children are playing, something like that sort. So before going further, let me tell you that the inspiration that I got was from a Microsoft Cognitive Vision API demo, where a particular blind person who is a Microsoft developer also, he actually gave a beautiful demo wherein he used this technology in his glasses, and he was taking images and and the technology was telling what that image is all about. So without much ado, I will just walk you through first about of the ingredients that I am using in this project, and then I will do a desktop capture and try to show you what the technology is all about. So I'll just focus this camera to this Tessel technology. So Tessel is a Node.js control microcontroller. This is how it is running. So it's having USB supported slots, and I have my USB supported camera attached to this, and there is this micro USB control thing which is connected to my Mac desktop. Now, as a first kind of image analysis, I will be analyzing this particular image, which is a flower vase. Then I will try to look at the watch. So these two will be my tested image sections. So just want to show you before moving to the screen. So let me now start capturing the whole flow. This is the script that I will be executing. If you want to know the details, I will provide the link of my blog where I will be posting the source code of this. It's hardly a 100-line Node.js code. So once I execute this Node.js script, it will first look for my Tessel, which is here. It will actually talk to the Tessel device and try to get the server running. So the idea is this particular Tessel is now acting as a web server, as well as it will act as a file system where the captured image will be stored, as well as it will also act as a camera kind of for capturing the image. So now what I will do, I will just point this particular camera to this picture, the flowers, the set of flowers that I have here, and I will reload this particular page. Now this is actually the server page, which the server which actually got created by the Tessel device. So as soon as I reload it, so it got the image, and now let's see how it is analyzing. So image was saved, and just ignore the error statement, but the technology comes back with this caption. I think the caption of this object should be a vase of flowers sitting in front of window. I am 0.48 or 48% sure. Now this is the first analysis that we did. We will try to do the same thing with the watch. So I will just bring this watch to in front of you guys, and I will keep the USB camera pointed to the watch. I hope it is getting that watch. I will just keep it a little bit further. So right now my USB camera is facing on the watch, and I will try to just reload this particular web page and then switch quickly to the console window that we have. So there you go. So now it got the image. Let's see whether it gets the analysis correctly or not. We'll wait for a minute, for not a minute, but there you go. So I think the caption of this object should be a clock that is on a desk. I am 0.743 or 74.3% sure. So as you can see, this is what a scenario will be for a blind person. He's not able to see these real objects, real-time objects, but this assistive technology will help him to understand what that object is all about. And it's very easy to actually put this into a speech analyzer, which will be my next thing, and I will post that into my blog, and have a speech kind of suggestion to the person. Now the whole idea to post this video in Facebook is to ask you guys about what else we can do with this kind of technology. We have this assistive technology idea from you can say Microsoft Cognitive Vision demo, but there are n number of ideas that we can do. One of the ideas was like we have CCTV cameras which are always monitoring. Now if you happen to, if the image which was captured by the CCTV camera shows a person who is having a gun in his hand, he is holding a gun in his hand, and it actually analyzes and says that okay, this person is holding a gun, and it sends an alarm to the security professionals. So that could be another kind of solution for the crime related problems. So this technology is having potential in n number of ways, in n number of areas. I would like, or I would request you guys to just have your burn out your brain, think about this, and it will be great if you guys can let me know what all things can be done through this device, and definitely we will try to make those kind of things and try to have this as a product in some of the other place. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye.